Hello, everybody. My name is Derek Olsen. I am a software engineer, I'm a musician, and I'm a student. I've noticed over the years that those kind of bring one thing into the equation. They all have something in common, and that's that you're always looking for some form of personal improvement. The thing with personal improvement, though, is it's pretty difficult to sometimes know what to work on, how you want to improve. There are times I sometimes ask, what should I be working on? Other times I'm wondering, when am I going to find time to actually do that? What with work or with school, it can be a bit of a challenge. And then if I'm not doing it frequently, if I'm not doing it consistently, how am I actually going to improve? After all, we've all heard that phrase, use it or lose it, and it's true, but it's also true before we get to that point. If you don't use it, you're not going to improve it. So, we wanted to look to specify what we could be working on and determine that some of the best things that we can do are looking for physical stimuli, mental, creative, and fun. Physical, whether it's going to the gym, running, riding a bike, swimming. Mental, like puzzles, quizzes. Creative, whether you're painting or if you're a musician. And of course, you want to have fun. It could be traveling, spending time with friends, family, coming to Boca Code. And I wanted to be able to make this something that you could do on a regular basis, doesn't take much time. I wanted my app to have some type of simplicity to it, something you can just kind of pop in, use, and be all around an enjoyable experience. So I want to present phase one, or as I like to call it, level one, of Level Up. Now this is a web app, it's a demo of it. So on phase one, level one, on the left-hand side we have our 4 categories. So it looks like Marvin, our user yesterday, had a pretty full day. He hit 100 points. Today, let's go ahead and let's fill in some of the information, shall we? Haven't had the opportunity to do too much on the physical side yet, so we'll mark it as 15 minutes or less so far. Mental, definitely had some of that today, and I've had an amazing time with everybody today so far. And then creative, we'll put down that we had about 30 minutes. Now we want to add our score together, and then when I submit the points, it's going to send that up toward our database, and it's going to bring it right back so we can view what it's currently listed at. So for my tech stack, I chose to use Firestore for my database. I'm using Node Express for my RESTful API. And then for the front end, I decided to use React and React Bootstrap for styling. Everything was deployed using Firebase hosting, Google Cloud Platform. Now for future work, I want to improve Level Up a little bit. I want to add some user authentication so I can really open it up to everybody in the room. I want to add some rewards as well. That way, as you're getting higher levels, you're able to get some customization, maybe new backgrounds, maybe some badges, maybe have your own character and have some new outfits as well. And of course, I want to add a mobile app. That way, we can just grab our phone and we can make those updates on the fly, really at any time. Now, I've added my LinkedIn and my Boca Code candidate QR codes here for everybody if you want to connect or reach out. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to leveling up with you.